How to pronounce the German U-Umlaut in words like fühlen or küsste. Let me show you a great hack. Just say E with a kind of face-lifting face. And then you keep the position of the tongue and just move the lips forward as if you were kissing a baby. And you say Ü again. I, Ü. Fi, fü. Vielen, fühlen. That was the long U-Umlaut. But there is also the short U-Umlaut. Let's start with I. Again with a face-lifting face. We keep the position of the tongue and just move the lips forward. Ü. I. Ü. Ki. Kü. Kiste. Küste. So the German U-Umlaut is I plus lips. How to pronounce the German O-Umlaut. I'm talking about the long Ö or the short Ö. I'll show you a great trick. Say E. I have a kind of face-lifting face, so it's easier to say. And now say E, but with the lips in front, as if you were kissing a baby. E, Ö, B, Bö, Besen, Bösen. Don't move the tongue inside the mouth. If you move the tongue, it won't work. For the short Ö, we have to pronounce a short E. Now you say E, Ö. You just move the lips forward, not the tongue. E, Ö. Ke, Kö. Kennen, können. The German O-Umlaut is not an O plus something. It's an E plus lips. If you want to continue learning with me, please subscribe to my channel and click on one of the videos or playlists next to me. Thanks for watching and see you soon.